Did you know that someone can break into an unsecured Wi-Fi network in under 5 minutes? Cyber threats aren't just for big corporations, they target everyday people. Hi, I'm Z, and welcome to Cyber. You might be thinking, why should I even care about cybersecurity? The truth is, hackers don't go after the most secure systems first. They go after the easiest targets. That means people like you and me. Students, gamers, online shoppers, or just anyone who uses a phone or computer every day. Cybersecurity is no longer an option. It's a basic life skill. Just like learning how to lock your front door, you need to know how to lock down your digital life. And that's exactly what this channel is here to help you with. Here on Zyber, I'm going to take all those complicated cybersecurity concepts and explain them in plain, simple language. No more boring lectures, no endless jargon, just clear and fun breakdowns of how hackers think, the tools they use, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself. We will cover the basics, like spotting scams, building stronger passwords, and safe browsing habits. But we'll also dive deep into advanced topics, like ethical hacking tools, penetration testing, and how professionals actually defend against cyber attacks. So whether you're a beginner or someone who already knows a little bit about tech, there'll be something here for you. Think about it. Your entire life is online. Your photos, your messages, your bank info, your school or work files. If someone gained access to all of that, how much could they learn about you? How much damage could they do? That's why cybersecurity is so important. It protects your identity, your money, and your privacy. And once you understand how hackers operate, you'll realize how easy it can be to stay one step ahead of them. In the next videos, I'll show you the most common mistakes people make that leave them vulnerable, how hackers actually carry out attacks, and the simple steps you can take to stop them. I'll also share real-world examples, from phishing scams to major data breaches. This way, you can learn without being the one that gets spammed. If you want to take control of your digital safety, subscribe to Zyber right now. That way, you won't miss the next video where I'll show you the 3 most common mistakes that make you an easy target for hackers, and how to fix them. Cybersecurity doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Stick around and I'll show you how to make it simple, practical, and even a little fun. Welcome to Cyber. This has been Z. Till next time.